Take your first steps with TroGlass acrylics. Download files and guidance settings from the flyer in your starter kit. Begin by loading your material and focusing the laser. If you are engraving, remove the top protective coating. For jobs where there is only laser cutting, the top coating can remain on the sheet. Always leave the protective coating on the rear side of the sheet to prevent flashback. You can further reduce risk by raising the acrylic from the bed. TroGlass cast acrylic is perfect for laser cutting and engraving. Laser cutting flame polishes the edges, saving production time. Extruded acrylic such as TroGlass XT is perfect for interlock boxes. Cutting extruded acrylic at lower frequency avoids heat buildup, allowing for better results. By combining with cast acrylic like TroGlass Satins, you create saleable products with stunning designs. Some acrylics are processed from the reverse side. Mirror acrylic must always be processed from the opaque side, or the side with adhesive from your kit. For both these materials, the design should be inverted before laser processing. Reverse acrylics can be backlit or infilled for striking contrast. Combining the reflective mirror with a matte surface like TroGlass Duo makes for a beautiful contrast. Make sure to use a non-abrasive cleaner when cleaning. Subscribe to our dedicated materials YouTube playlist for more useful videos. The TroGlass range contains sheets and finishes for all products.